Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to get captions and CapCut. To get captions, we have two basic methods for you. First method, add captions manually. Open CapCut, tap New Project, and add the video to your project. Then hit Add. Add text for captions. Tap Text, add text, and type the first caption. Style the captions. Now go to Styles, customize the font, size, color, and position of the text to suit your video. And also adjust the timing of each caption to match the dialogue or audio by dragging the text layer on the timeline. Last method, use auto captions. Now once you open the video, tap text, then choose auto captions, and choose the language of the audio. Auto is also a best option. Then choose video from these options, and then tap on generate. Take note that you only have one use per day to generate the captions. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.